Okay, I pre-cut these 3 pieces of cloth, and let me check the measurement. It is 6 inches width, and the length is 12 and 3/4 inches. So you can decide to sew it. Okay, I am making these with 3 pieces of cloth. This is the one with fruits, and this one is a Christmas material. And then I have felt to put in the middle of it so that it can be thicker and it can stay on the handle without sliding down. So how I do this is, okay, I put the piece of felt there and I turn the material the right side up, and then I put the other piece of material right side down, so the two right side is facing each other and the felt is at the back. So I will put it together with pins so they can sew neatly together. Pin it. So it's from here, 1 inch from here. Leave this part open, and then when you finish sewing it together, you will turn it over. Alright, let's begin to sew. I have white thread in it at the moment, but it doesn't matter because I'm sewing it on the wrong side, and I will turn it over. Okay. Now I cut the corners so that when I turn it over, it doesn't be too bulky in the corner. Without cutting the corner that you sew, I like to cut some of the material away from the corner so that when I turn it over, 1 inch, cut the thread from the center, and now we're going to turn it over. Find the 2 pieces of material.
Keep the felt at the back, open the 2 pieces of material, and you turn it inside out.
But we are halfway there. A needle to pull out the corners. Try to do it carefully that you don't damage the sewing, so it can look neater in the corners. Alright, see, it has the pointed edge. So I go to the next corner, and I will do that to all of them. Right, now you can get your steamer and iron this down, but in the interest of time, I will then seal the one that is open right here. Push this in, bring it together, and then I will sew it at the edge right here all the way across. And I will turn and I will do the same to this end so it can look neater. Okay. seal it up. So it's like a little bag. And then you seal it together before you put the Velcro on. And that will be in another video. Okay, because this side is red and this side is white, I will change thread. I will put red thread on top so I don't see the white on top of the red. Off part of the Velcro, and now you're going to turn it over, and instead of putting the Velcro on the opposite side of this, it goes on the other side. So the Velcro will be here, and then the other piece will be here, and you will stick it together. Okay, that way you get to use it on both sides. You can use dual. These covers can be used on the stove handle, fridge handle, and you can match them up with the fridge and the stove the same color. These can be used on both sides. After Christmas, you can turn it over. $10 each. Hook me up and I will get them to you within Belize. These can be found on Etsy store. Check the link on the description below. Ready for sale and deliver in the US.